replaced.
That part hurt.
That part hurt. Okay.
That's... You don't want anything to spill. Spill the soda. The water.
Okay. Okay, so this color, I'm realizing, is really a dark brown under there. So the paint that I have to fix this is gonna probably match. Okay, so typically there's a backing or something, not always in the roof area, because there wasn't one here, and it's fine because it's got all that stuff there, but that wood was so thin. So we're actually gonna felt it and put the wood over. Man. Y'all know Ron Swanson, where he's like in the hardware department, and guy's like, "Can I help you, sir?" And he's all like, "I know more than you." How's it look? I think it looks pretty good. Nice job, homie. Come on down.